The healing power of onion and vinegar. For our recipe, you'll need 3 onions, which you'll slice and cut. This recipe was taught by the Japanese doctor Hiroshi Shoto and became very famous because, besides being delicious, it brings several health benefits. Onions are good sources of antioxidants, flavonoids, and quercetin, which help lower blood pressure. Additionally, they have functions to help fight cancer, are anti-inflammatory, and are recommended for diabetics. In popular language, onions help thin the blood and reduce localized fat. They also keep the intestinal flora in check and promote numerous health improvements. Vegetables contain phytochemicals that are responsible for protection, thus aiding our health. The Japanese doctor recommends the technique to his patients, and he himself uses this homemade recipe, which has already been responsible for improving his digestive system and banishing ear-ringing due to stress. According to the cover of the magazine where this recipe was announced, there are testimonials from people who claim to have lost 74 pounds thanks to consuming onion and vinegar. To make the recipe, you'll need a sterilized glass jar, 2 tablespoons of honey. If you don't consume honey, you can omit it, but besides the benefits that honey also adds, it leaves a wonderful taste in this sauce. After adding the honey, you'll add the sliced onions here. The anti-inflammatory power of onion in vinegar is optimized when the onion is consumed daily. I like to consume them in salads, both the onion and the dressing. But there are no rules. You can put it in your meat rice wherever you want. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink salt, but you can use white salt. And now we'll top it all off with vinegar. Ideally, you should use organic apple cider vinegar. But I didn't have it here, so I used regular vinegar. After covering all the onions with vinegar, you'll close the jar and shake it to mix the honey. Leave it in the refrigerator for 3 days before consuming it to enhance the flavor. Then you can consume it for up to 15 days. But folks, it runs out very quickly. You can make more than 1 jar. And while I'm finishing up here, I'd like to know from you, from which city you're watching me. Don't forget to leave it in the comments so I can know how far the video is reaching. Since this recipe is already famous, I'd like to know from you, have you made it? What did you think? So it's ready. I'll save it now. That was today's recipe. I hope you liked it. May God bless you and your family. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. Bye.